Since 1898, as the first private club on the south side of Chicago, Midlothian Country Club has provided elegance, grace, and challenging world-class golf for members and their guests. The original clubhouse and surrounding cottages became a summer colony for dozens of members and their families. Transportation was such a concern in the early days that the club replaced horse-drawn tally-ho wagons with its own railroad, making Midlothian the only golf club in the world, other than St. Andrews in Scotland, to own its own railroad. In 1914, Midlothian hosted the Men's U.S. Open, won by legendary golfer Walter Hagen, and the Western Open in 1901, 1969, and 1973. In 2022, renowned course architect Raymond Hearn led the renovation of all 82 bunkers with pro-angle sand and lengthened tee boxes. Members enjoy multiple indoor, al fresco, and private dining options. Our gorgeous family-friendly pool and spacious deck for lounging will make you feel like you're vacationing from everyday life. From weddings and rehearsal dinners to showers and birthdays, we help you create memories to last a lifetime.